Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit and optimize product pages on your Wix website. This is essential for making your online store look professional and ensuring your products are presented in the best possible way. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. This is your main control center for managing your website and all its settings. From here, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website where you want to edit and optimize your product page. This step is important because if you have multiple sites, you don't want to accidentally edit the wrong one. Now, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This button will take you directly into the Wix website editor screen where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the editor, start by locating the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This will expand the menu and show you all the pages currently on your site. From this expanded menu, select Product Page. This is where you'll make all your edits and optimizations for individual products. Once you're on the product page, simply click on the product element itself. When you do this, you'll see a Settings button appear. This button is your gateway to editing your product page. You can adjust everything from display options to settings, layout, and design. These controls give you the flexibility to make your product page visually appealing and user-friendly. To really optimize your products, look at the top part of the page and you'll see a button labeled Manage Products. Click on it and the products dashboard will appear. Optimization comes with different various aspects and this dashboard is where you'll handle all of them. From here, you can see all the products listed in your store. Click on any of these products to begin editing and optimizing. Once you're on the product information page, you can update product images to make sure they're high quality and eye-catching. You can also edit descriptions to provide clear, compelling information that helps customers understand what you're selling. Additionally, you can add product options like sizes, colors, or variations. Don't forget to check on stock levels and update them regularly to avoid selling items that are out of stock. And that's it. You've successfully edited and optimized your product page on Wix, making your online store more attractive and functional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.